So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to send GIF on Instagram. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the Instagram app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your Instagram account, and to send a GIF you will have to tap on message box, which is available on the top right corner of your screen. So tap on it. Now tap on anyone's message. So I'm scrolling down and tap on stickers icon, which is available on the lower corner of right side, or you will have to tap on plus icon. Here is not available, so tap on sticker icon here. Now see, you will see the option of GIF, so tap on it, then tap on here and wait for a second until it sends. Now see, it has been sent successfully on Instagram. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.